Would you raise your kids in Thailand?
Yeah!
Today we are taking the kids to a children's fair here in Bangkok.
We'll show you what life really can be like for families. We moved to
Thailand, guys!
New day, new place, we on the move. Family vibe, yeah, you know the groove. From the city lights to the ocean views, every moment something new. Gifty and Faber.
Hey fam! Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, we are an expat family living in Bangkok, Thailand. We moved here to start a new life, and today is one of those days that really makes us reflect on that decision. We are heading to a children's fair at an international school. And honestly, this is one of the things we love about living in Bangkok. There's always something happening for the kids. We just got here and already, look at this!
Together.
3 floors, all sorts of things to do, slides, things to climb, and role play.
We've got games, rides, workshops.
No, she doesn't want to go to the clown. The clown.
As parents, one of the biggest questions people ask us is Thailand actually a good place to raise kids?
Yeah, that has to be like the top question people ask us here when they see us with the kids, and we tell them we actually all moved over here.
And today we're going to show you, not just tell you.
Okay, first off, to get access into this fair was 200 Thai baht. That's just less than $7 US. That's less than 10,000 naira.
That alone already tells you something, huh?
1 or 2 other activities you had to pay for, like riding the horses. You had to pay 60 baht per child, but everything else was free, and we didn't do, we couldn't go to every class, every corner, every activity.
As parents, this is the kind of environment you want for your kids. It is safe, open, and full of activities. In Bangkok especially, there's a strong mix of education and fun. It's not just play, they are learning things too. Let's talk honestly for a second. Moving to another country with kids is not a small decision. You think about safety, costs, education, lifestyle, culture too, eh? And we had all those same concerns before moving here.
Some extra as well.
Funny. But one thing we've noticed living in Bangkok, life here is actually very family friendly. From public transport to malls to the schools to events like this, kids are always considered. And that makes a big difference as a parent. And it's not just about saving money. It's about the quality of life. Less stress, more time together, more experiences like this. And honestly, that's what matters.
Okay, so we take off our shoes and we get into the arts workshop classroom. This is an international school, so this is a regular classroom in that school, just I guess configured to have students go in and the kids go in and play around and have arts and
Okay, now you can go to.
hello.
And hi, how are you?
They were, I think, doing some art craft with a pig's head. So you're meant to put colors, put dazzles, put whatever right on it, and it was just fun. One of, I think, 4 sessions like this that were again included in the 200 baht prize. There was an escape room, there was a story room. I forget what the other one was. But yeah, I think there were 4 in this zone B.
Hello, Asile.
I think it's for July and
Okay.
Now, there were 4 zones, and you had Zone D, which we spent some time in. Zone C, which I don't even recall seeing. In Zone B was also an indoor playground.
Okay? The white part is gonna come clear soon, okay? Okay? Alright. Thank you so much for coming. It's lovely to see faces like these. Bye, sweetie. Bye. So nice. Bye-bye.
By the way, we were the only brown skinned family here, and that was the one teacher we saw. And I think there was another dark skinned Indian lady who was a teacher as well. But we were treated like kings, we were treated well, with utmost respect. I love Thailand. Now we did pay an extra 300 Thai bahts per child. Again, that's just less than 10 US dollars, about 14,000 naira. But this was a huge, gigantic indoor air-conditioned play area. Safe, colorful, fun. I mean, you can see for yourself.
Come. Are you the doctor? She's pregnant.
Hey, yo, no! Alicia is the doctor!
She's the doctor.
Where's your mom and dad? Where's your mom and dad? Wait, I have that. You want to check over there? Okay, doctor. Hey, stop, Alicia, stop. Where is it?
Ashley, come, let's go slide.
If you are thinking about moving abroad with your family, this is the kind of thing you need to consider. Not just the income, but lifestyle. Are your kids happy? Like, are they growing? Are they exposed to new things?
Let's go. You want to go down, right?
I want to go to the market.
To the market. Wait for me, Ashley. Wait. Is that fun? Ashley.
I mean, it's obvious the kids had fun. My girls certainly had fun. I mean, jumping around and bouncing around. So it was a cool day. And again, you have activities like this scattered all over. You have schools like this. We'll discuss schools in a completely different video, probably several videos. But I mean, you imagine you have schools at every standard point and every price point as well. International schools, yeah, some the really good ones tend to be very pricey, but you pretty much paying for the value you get. I mean, ultra modern campuses, massive campuses, and the top quality service you can imagine from teachers. And most teachers are foreigners, anyways, especially in international schools. So you're quite sure you're getting value for your money. You're getting quality, good education.
Go get them stamp it.
Just from interacting with the teachers in this particular school, you could tell they're professionals. You could tell they love kids. You could tell they're good at what they do, and they're welcoming. They're passionate and compassionate as well. So you couldn't ask for more, if I would say. And I mean, this isn't the best school in Thailand by far. It's one of the good ones, one of the ones we like. But I mean, this is literally tip of the iceberg, so to say. Yeah, girls had fun, stretched a bit, did some physical activities, which is good and great for them. Not overstimulating, just stimulating enough. Now here, I mean, you probably know this game, but I mean, the girls, Janelle starts looking out at the back to see what was there, right? You had Lego blocks, you had robotics, you had quite a few things going. You had these mascots. My girls typically get shaken a bit by big daddies and clowns, right? So it was always good to get them in front of those to face their fears. But look at Asset go, look at Janelle go, right? Athletic, energetic. I mean, the first round she did this, she was shooting hoops like her daddy, who's a pro basketballer, right?
Good job. Okay. 340. Okay, that's.
Oh, just imagine. She likes hula hoop. She's too tiny, of course, but I mean, she always attempts to do it.
Okay. Why are you scared?
I'm not scared. I want to.
Say bye-bye.
Come on, give me a high five. Good job. Okay, that's good. That's good.
High five. Bye-bye.
That was.
For us, moments like this make the decision worth it. This is what we wanted. More time, more experiences, more life. So the real question is, would you raise your kids in Thailand? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to follow our journey living in Thailand as a family.
Come, let's see.
Which one do you want? Actually, no. It's just...
Okay, get up.
Okay, so we stepped over to go grab something to eat.
What? You want to eat?
The girls loved the food. We were hungry, so we ate, and then we got into the ride and went home. It was really, really a fun day, even for me as an adult, but of course it was exhausting. So yeah, had to head home. See you guys on the next episode.
New day.